today I'm going to show you how to make donuts and I hope you guys love it. So let's begin. So we have 1.5 cup maida, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, yum 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 yum, 1 cheap butter, 1 tablespoon rapid rise yeast and 3/4 cup warm water. So let's start the process. Today, to knead the dough, I'm going to use an electric dough maker from Clearline. So let's start the process. So friends, first we will open this dough machine. Yeah. So friends, as you can see, we don't need to knead because of this. This plate will help us knead the dough of the donut. So now I will be adding all the ingredients. So first I will add 1.5 cup maida into this, 1 cup and a half cup. Then I will be adding half a teaspoon of salt. Then I will be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, which is very sweet. So now I will be closing the lid of this. Now I will be putting it on the machine and make sure guys the hole is where it's supposed to be and then you turn it. After this has been done, we press stop button, then we press mix and we go to 5 minutes. And now let's start. So guys, you have to check in the between. Now it is mixed well and I will be adding butter. And now I will be adding rapid rise yeast. Now I will be adding 3/4 of warm water. One. 2. And press last. I will be closing the lid. Now it looks like the dough has mixed well. So we will be adding a little bit of olive oil into the dough. Stopping the machine and I will be kneading it on my hand. So now I will be taking the cap out, and now I will be removing the sticky dough as you see, which is basically just like slime. So we have removed this as well, so that we can also remove the excess. So first I'm removing the dough from here, and now as well from here. So as you can see, the dough is very sticky. It is clearly seen. So now I will be kneading this with my hands. So let's get kneaded. So you can see it is a bit stretchy and sticky. That's why I have already added olive oil to my hand as well. So now I am kneading this, and now we will roll it up once properly, and now we will take it in our hands, and we will get like a ball in this way, and we will repeat this 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now we will be kneading this dough properly, and now that we have kneaded, we will get it into a roll like this. Now we have this roll, and we will be putting it like this, okay? And then you have to repeat this exactly 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now the ball looks like this, and now we will be putting it for fermenting. So now we will be fermenting it. So now I will be putting this inside the bowl, closing the lid and cap. And now I will be heating it for 60 minutes, fermenting it. So now let's begin, and we will leave this for 1 hour. So right now it's heating inside, but actually we cannot see it. But it is heating, and yes, it's getting hotter. So we will be closing the lid, and I'll come back to you in some time. Hi, so it has been 1 hour since I had left it for fermentation. Now let's go in and check how well it has fermented. So let's just open the lid, and you can see that it has been very well fermented from all sides. And now we will mix it. So you can see it's sticky too. So now we will leave it to mix. So again, we'll on the button, then we'll press mix. We leave it for 5 minutes to mix. So let's start. And it has been very sticky, as you can see. Let's take a closer look, and yes, it has been mixed well. So now we will be taking out the jar, and we will be opening the lid and see how good and sticky it is. So yes, it is very much like slime. And now I will sprinkle some refined flour onto the bowl so that it does not stick. Now it has been spread all over the bowl, and now I will be greasing my hand as well with some olive oil. So you can see it has been greased. And now it's time for some playtime. So we will knead it a while, and we will make sure it's kneaded well and properly. first do it like that, and then we will do the same thing from this side. We'll do this a few more times. We'll repeat it so it becomes like a ball, as you can see. So it's turning into a ball, as you can see. And now we will be taking the rolling pin, which has been greased as well, and now we will be rolling it out. But make sure it is 1 cm thick so that when you cut out the donuts, it remains thick as well. So we will be rolling this out. For my outer shape, I'm going to use a circle, and for my inner shape of the donut, I'm going to use different shapes from the cookie cutter. So let's start making it now. So first I press the glass against this door and I move it and twist it so that it does not stick around over here. Now I'm going to remove gently. Then I'm going to take one of my favorite shapes and I'm going to cut it out. So in the same process, I will complete all the other donuts. And my favorite, the heart. Now I will be removing this excess dough. Again, I'll be kneading and then cutting out the donuts, and the same process over and over and over again. And phew, the rolling and the cutting is finally done. Now, we will wait for 15 minutes for it to puff up. Till the time the donuts are puffing up, I'm going to melt the chocolate. So I'm going to melt light chocolate, and I have used 5 dairy milks for it. I'm going to melt it in a double boiler. So I'll put a plate up, and now we let it boil. Now we are frying the donuts, and we are doing it on high flame, and we'll do it slowly and let it turn golden brown. And now we have done it to low flame. So when it is a little golden brown, you start doing it on low flame, or else it gets not proper. So we are cooking it on low flame so that the inner part as well as the outer part gets cooked well. And it is turning light golden brown, but we let it cook for a few more minutes. So as you can see that it is also puffing up as well, which is good because it has to puff up. So this is how the donut is looking once it has been cooked. It is golden brown and it is a bit crispy as it is supposed to be. So here are my donuts that I have already fried. Now I am going to show you how to dip them and how to make different designs. So this is the first one, and this I'm just going to dip in a normal way, and I'm going to remove, and I'm going to make sure it is like this. And now I will be using a spoon and be putting a bit of white chocolate over it. The first donut. Our second donut. It was a lot of hard work making those donuts and especially dipping them. But I had tons and tons of fun. But I had enjoyed the most getting my hands dirty and dipping the donuts. I had tons and tons of fun. Ooh, look at that one. How does that look?
Didi, are those donuts ready?
Oh yes, Kiana, the donuts are ready. Here, why don't you try a donut pop? That will be especially delicious. How was it?